Hi, YouTube team. In this day, August 21, 2025, at exactly 9:32 p.m., your team of policy specialists carefully looked over my channel, Eran Gatchalian, 6364. They found that a significant portion of my channel was not in line with your YouTube partner program or YPP policies. It is reuse content my channel to monetize, and I will not access to monetization tools and features. My channel name, Eran Gatchalian 6364. My URL is www.youtube.com Eran Gatchalian 6364. I would like to appeal my application for monetization and showing the process how I create my content and addressing my videos that did, that that did not contains violating monetization policies. My channel contains only singing, covering old Filipino songs. I only use my cell phone for content my content videos. I'm hoping that your team will reconsider my videos to be part of your YouTube program. Thank you for your kindness and God bless.